Alright team, start your shooting practice. Missed. Stop blasting it out, kid. Alright, next one. Missed. Oh man, we've run out of balls. Please send me more balls to the city stadium.
Okay, coming right up.
Soccer ball factory.
Welcome to our most advanced soccer ball production line. Here, the balls are produced with modern automated technology. After that, they move on to the next stage for checks and shipping.
Quality control and delivery area.
First, the finished balls are sent to this ball entry station. Next, they go through a tester machine to check the bounce and the weight. Then, the balls move to a second tester to check their grip and friction. Finally, the balls are sent to the ball delivery hold station, waiting for delivery. The balls are here. Let's bring them to the testers. Alright, let's check the bounce and weight of every single ball. This tester runs so smoothly. Both parameters are within the standard range. Now the ball will move on to the tester for grip and friction.
How to build the soccer ball delivery system? Number 1. Power and entry module. First, I'll build the motor drive unit. Gear set. Add the motor. Next, I'll need a ball entry hopper to catch the balls coming in. Ball in. Number 2. Rotary ball distributor. First, I'll build the support frame. Next, I'll build the rotating mechanism. Then, add the stands. Ball buckets. Now I'll link all 3 rotary ball distributors together into one continuous system. Then, attach to the power and entry module. Number 3. Adding ball lift conveyor. Ball bin. Connect to the battery box. The ball delivery system is completed. GBC balls. Testing.
The bounce and weight test only evaluates the basic standards of a soccer ball. To prove real playability, they are further tested for grip and friction. The machine lifts and shakes the balls step by step to check their control on the ground. These balls are good to go. Now these balls are on their way to the delivery station. Oh no, we've missed a defective ball. Sometimes 1 or 2 defective balls might slip through the process. But don't worry, they'll be sent back to the factory for handling. After one batch is finished, the next batch comes right in. This is the complete production line, where every soccer ball is made and tested. From start to finish, these balls go through it all before hitting the field. And that's how soccer balls are made. Leaving the factory, these soccer balls travel through every street in town. They reach passionate hearts that truly love the game. Wherever they land, they spark the love for the beautiful game.
A storm has hit the city and sweeping away all vehicles.
The storm is coming. This garage needs to be upgraded.
How to build a car garage. Step 1. Build the elevator. The gear. Add the gear to the frame. And more. Add the conveyor belt. The base. Connect them. Add electric motor and battery box. Testing the elevator. The elevator can move up and down easily. Success. Step 2. Build the garage. Set up. The 3-level garage is ready to serve.
I need to park here.
Please go to the 3rd floor.
There's a space left.
3rd floor.
Luckily, my car isn't be submerged.
I want to go to the 2nd floor.
Yes, please come in. 2nd floor.
This is so amazing.
The wind's so strong.
So scary. Look, another storm is coming. Water is rising so fast. The storm is over.
All cars are safe.
Okay.
No one here. Let's begin.
Okay.
The fried potatoes taste delicious.
Stop right there, you thieves.
Oh no.
You two will have to work for my pizza factory.
Inside fast food factory.
Let's begin. All right.
The pizza crust is ready.
How to build the topping filling machine. Install the engine. Add the topping station. Add the chain. Testing. Add the pizza toppings.
Oh yeah!
That's great. The batch of pizza is done.
Let's move on to making burgers.
2,000 years later.
Boss, can we leave yet?
No, now you have to eat all the food.
What the hell? How?
Fishmonger. Oh my god, we've lost the fish.
We have to build a water pump that can pump water for multiple fish tanks.
I have an idea. How to build the water fountain. Step 1. Build the engine. Testing. Add the engine cover. Step 2. Build the sprinklers. Step 3. Complete assembly. Before using, we need to test the pump. Blue water. Green water. Yellow water. Great, the multicolored water jets are flowing out. A giant glass. Add the water pump. Add the fish. The fish are swimming. They are exploring the new tank.
Look, a beautiful aquarium. It looks like a water fountain.
Now we can pump water into all the fish tanks at once. Oh no, the water splashed out. I have an idea.
This fountain is truly eye-catching.
I've never seen it.
Great, they are beautiful.
I've become a millionaire.
No! It's unbelievable. Water fountain is broken.
Oh, my water fountain.
Sausage food fair.
Wow.
One hot sausage, please.
This is so yummy. Wow, this is truly a sausage paradise. So many choices. Which one should I pick?
Witamy w Polsce.
你好.
Welcome to America.
Over here, right here, boy. American sausages are the best in the world.
No, try my Chinese sausages. They're the real best.
Dream on. My polished sausages are the best of the best.
Why don't we compete to see which one is the most delicious?
Okay.
That's right.
Welcome to America.
Sausage stuffers and makers. Collagen casings.
Now I'm gonna make hot dog sausage. First, I'm gonna make ground meat from these pork blocks. Then I pour it into the sausage maker. I'll use a collagen casing to stuff the sausage inside. Yeah, the machine is pressing ground meat into the collagen casing. That's the perfect length. My standard American sausage is done! No one's beating this!
Smells so good!
Wow.
Wait, that sausage looks kinda weird.
Oh no, this casing just burst!
The American sausage just failed.
Let me show you Chinese sausages.
欢迎
来到中国。
I'll make Chinese-style cocktail sausages.
Sausage filling.
First, I'll knead the filling until it's nice and smooth. All right, into the grinder it goes. Now, this is what you call a real sausage. One more step before it becomes cocktail sausages. I'll tie it into small sections. Let's bring it out. Chinese cocktail sausages here. Come get some.
Ugh, I'm so stuffed.
Not fair. Why is mine so tiny? That's nothing. Just wait and see my premium polished sausages.
Witamy w Polsce.
I'm gonna make the best kielbasa from these beef chunks. Kielbasa sausage is ready. Wow! Please enjoy, everyone.
Wow, so great!
Delicious.
No more waiting. Let's eat, guys.
Now we all know the result already.
How to build the sausage maker. Number 1. Build the press unit. First, I'll build the pressing core. Pusher plate. Attach it to the front panel. Now I'll assemble the casing. Number 2. Build the hopper and extruder. Add the feeding hopper, testing with dough. I've made a bunch of cute shaped dough using this mold. Great! The dough is coming out in a strip.